Hello, everyone. Welcome to Listen and Learn. Today, we are going to talk about one of the most powerful ways to improve your English speaking skills. You don't need a teacher. You don't need a partner. You can do it all by yourself. Yes, today we will learn how to practice speaking English alone and become more confident every single day. So, sit back, relax, and let's start this amazing journey together. Practicing English alone is a skill that can change your life. When you decide to speak English every day, even for a few minutes, you are building a habit that will improve your confidence and fluency. Many people think they need a teacher, a partner, or a classroom to learn English effectively. But the truth is, the best way to learn is to practice actively by yourself. This does not mean you are learning in isolation. It means you are taking control of your own learning journey. You can practice anytime, anywhere. In your room, while walking, or even during your daily chores. The key is consistency and focus. Start by understanding that making mistakes is a normal and essential part of learning. Each mistake teaches you something new, whether it is pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary. Begin with simple sentences that describe your day or your feelings. For example, say, I am starting my day with a glass of water, or I feel happy today because I am learning new words. By narrating your own actions and thoughts, you activate your brain to think in English, and over time, it will become more natural to express yourself without translating from your native language. Self-talk is one of the most effective techniques to practice English alone. Start by describing your daily activities in detail. Don't just say, I am eating, but instead say, I am eating a bowl of rice with vegetables. The rice is hot and fresh, and I am enjoying every bite. Adding details improves your vocabulary and gives context to your sentences. Move on to talking about your plans for the day. After finishing my breakfast, I will go to my study desk and review my notes. Then, I will practice speaking English for 30 minutes. You can also describe your surroundings. The sun is shining through my window. I can see the trees swaying gently in the wind. By describing what you see and do, you create a real-life conversation scenario, which helps your brain learn faster. Another important step is to include your feelings in self-talk. For example, I feel motivated to continue learning today. I am proud of myself for dedicating time to English practice. This will not only improve your language skills, but also boost your confidence. Another powerful method for solo practice is asking yourself questions and answering them out loud. Start with basic questions such as, what am I doing now? And answer fully. I am sitting at my desk and writing down new English words to practice. Progress to more complex questions. What was the most interesting part of my day yesterday? Answer in detail. Yesterday, I visited the park and watched children playing football. It reminded me of my childhood days and made me feel happy. This technique encourages you to speak in complete sentences, improve sentence structure, and think creatively in English. Additionally, you can challenge yourself with hypothetical or future scenarios. If I traveled to an English-speaking country, how would I introduce myself? Answer it. I would say, "Hello, my name is Alex. I am learning English and I am excited to meet new people." This practice helps you prepare for real-life conversations, interviews, and travel situations. The more questions you ask and answer, the more comfortable you will become in expressing your thoughts fluently. Recording your voice is an essential step to improve pronunciation and fluency. Choose a topic every day, such as your favorite hobby, a recent experience, or a personal goal. Speak for 2 to 3 minutes and record yourself using a phone or computer. After recording, play it back and listen carefully. Pay attention to pronunciation, grammar, sentence structure, and intonation. You might notice areas where you can improve, such as mispronounced words or awkward phrasing. Don't stop there. Record a second version and compare it with the first. This process allows you to track your improvement and motivates you to continue practicing. Over time, you will notice significant progress in your clarity and confidence. You can also try recording dialogues with yourself by asking questions and answering them. For example, "What did I do today?" Answer: "I read a chapter of an English book, wrote some sentences, and practiced speaking out loud." Repeating this exercise daily creates a strong habit that strengthens your speaking skills over time. Shadowing is a technique where you imitate a native speaker exactly as they speak. Start by selecting a short English video, audio clip, or podcast. Play one sentence, pause, and repeat it aloud, copying the speaker's pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. As you improve, try speaking along with the audio without pausing. Shadowing helps train your ears, tongue, and brain simultaneously, and it improves your accent, speed, and natural flow of speech. For better results, choose content that matches your level and gradually increase difficulty. For example, start with slow-paced news clips or storytelling videos, and then progress to conversations, interviews, or debates. This technique also teaches you how native speakers stress words and form sentences naturally. By practicing shadowing daily, you develop a more authentic and confident speaking style. Mirror practice is a powerful method to build confidence while speaking English alone. Stand in front of a mirror, look into your own eyes, and speak as if you are talking to someone else. Use gestures, facial expressions, and body language to make your speech lively and engaging. Pretend you are ordering food at a restaurant. "Hello, can I get a table for 2, please? I would like a sandwich and a coffee." Or imagine meeting a new friend. "Hi, nice to meet you. My name is Alex. What do you like to do in your free time?" You can also simulate a small speech or presentation. "Good morning, everyone. Today, I will talk about the importance of learning English and how it helps in personal growth." Mirror practice helps you notice and correct nervous habits, improve posture, and maintain eye contact. Over time, speaking in front of a mirror builds real-life speaking confidence and reduces anxiety. Creating an English-rich environment around you accelerates learning. Change the language of your phone, computer, and apps to English. Watch English movies, TV shows, or YouTube videos daily. Listen to English podcasts and songs and repeat phrases aloud. Label objects around your house with English words like door, window, or chair, and speak their names while using them. The more you immerse yourself in English, the faster your brain adapts and thinks in English naturally. Even small daily habits like reading a short article or describing the weather aloud can significantly improve vocabulary and sentence structure. Surrounding yourself with English makes practicing fun and consistent, transforming your environment into a learning tool. Consistency is the key to mastering English alone. Set a daily practice routine, even if it is only for 5 to 10 minutes. Start small and gradually increase practice time as you get more comfortable. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, because every step counts. Keep a notebook to track new words, phrases, and sentences you learn. Speak with energy and enthusiasm, and do not fear mistakes. They are part of the learning process. Over 30 days of consistent practice, your fluency, confidence, and pronunciation will improve noticeably. Remember, practicing English alone is not only possible, it can be highly effective when done regularly. Stay motivated, stay focused, and keep speaking. Your fluency journey is in your own hands. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Echo English for more daily tips to improve your English speaking. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below and tell us what topics you want to learn next. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next video.